Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Once you've inserted a picture or a graphic into a publisher document, you should see the Picture Toolbar appear. You can use the buttons on this toolbar to modify the properties of the currently selected inserted picture or clip art. Everything from the brightness and contrast, size, and borders to the setting of the text wrapping for the selected graphic can be adjusted using the buttons in the Picture Toolbar. So the Picture Toolbar can be used to modify the properties of pictures and clip art graphics, as well as nearly any other type of image that you insert into your publication. Now, if the Picture Toolbar doesn't display when you click on a picture, then you can view it by selecting View, Toolbars, and then selecting Picture. Now, the Insert Picture button allows you to select an image from a file on your computer and insert it into your publication by clicking that button. You could also click the Insert from Scanner or Camera button to scan a picture directly into your publication from a scanner, or to select a picture directly from your digital camera. The Color button allows you to choose from 4 preset image settings: Automatic, which uses the original colors and shading of the image; Grayscale, which takes the color out of the image and just uses several shades of gray, which is great for printing on a black and white printer; Pure Black and White, which literally uses only black and white to recreate the image; and Washout, which lightens the image and makes it almost transparent, which is great for creating a watermark image. So you simply choose the option that you would like. Now you can click the More Contrast, Less Contrast, More Brightness, and Less Brightness buttons to adjust the levels of brightness and contrast within the selected graphic. You can also click the Crop button, which turns the mouse pointer into a tool that allows you to trim the image. Cropping an image does not actually delete or remove any part of the image, it simply hides it by moving the border of the visual area inward or outward. So to crop an image, once you've clicked the button, just click and drag any of the 8 resizing handles around the image inward. This gives the effect that the image has been cut or trimmed with a pair of scissors. Note that you can crop the image back out by just dragging the resizing handles back outward again, and that will restore the cropped portions of the image, so they're not actually deleted. Now you can click the Crop button again when you're done to turn the tool off. The Line and Border Style button allows you to view a drop-down menu of line widths that you can apply as a border to your image. Clicking the Compress Pictures button allows you to reduce the file size of your image through compression. Now, this can also delete the cropped areas of pictures if you desire. You can also convert graphics to JPEG graphics if needed, and you can choose a target output: commercial printing, desktop printing, or the web. You can also choose to apply the compression settings to all pictures or only the currently selected pictures. You can then click the Compress button to make your compression settings. Now, the Text Wrapping button allows you to view a drop-down menu of choices for text wrapping in your document. And text wrapping is just the way in which text will flow around the image. Your choices are square, tight, through, top and bottom, or none. Now, the Format Picture button will bring up the Format Picture dialog box, and you can control all of the aspects of your image using this dialog box just as you can from the Picture Toolbar. The dialog box simply gives you the ability to be very specific with formatting settings, such as your cropping. The Set Transparent Color button will change the mouse pointer to look like a wand. Whenever you put the wand in your image and click, that color will become transparent throughout the image, like a color eraser that works on one color. The Reset Picture button allows you to reset your image back to its original state. This is like the Undo button for an image. It just undoes every change instead of one at a time. This puts it back to its original settings, not necessarily the size at which you inserted it.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.